Hello, hello, and welcome to another video. Well, unfortunately we didn't get to do many in El Nido due to me getting a dodgy tummy. So we did the island hopping and that's as far as it went. Spent a couple of days trying to recover. But anyway, today we're flying from here in El Nido to Boracay, which is quite an expensive flight. I think it's about £150 for the single flight, but it's a direct flight, so it saves you having to go through Cebu or Manila in changing, so it saves a lot of time. So definitely something that's worth it if you're going to Boracay. So we're starting the video off today here in Lio Beach. Lio Beach being right next to the airport. So we have the airport, which is literally there. That's the runway where I can see a helicopter just about to take off. We've also got the nice Lio Beach on the opposite side. So we've got beach all along this side. There's shops and restaurants. I think it's a privately owned resort. It's all really well kept. It's got lots of shops and restaurants. The only thing is, if you're a drone flyer, you can't fly drones here because it's so close to the airport, being as the runway is literally there. But we've got a short time here before we go over to the airport to get our flight. So let's have a look around Lio Beach, show you what the beach is like and show you what the shops and restaurants are like as well. And we've made it back down from the pier where we were just a minute ago, up the top of there, and we've got the main beach which runs along here. We've got all the coconut trees, day beds, which I'm not sure if you rent them or not. It'd be quite interesting to know, or someone can let me know. But we've got the beach directly over here, which looks really, really nice, really calm sea, and lots of people chilling, enjoying themselves. And all around this area is where all the restaurants are. The restaurants all the way along here, and there's also shops and bits and bobs as well, and swings knocking around, which would be nice to have a go on as well. But I think for the time being we're going to go grab a drink and chill out for a minute before we have to go head over to Lio Airport. And we found one place to stop at, one restaurant right next to the beach, where we have the beach over here, the pier again where we were before, and it's also nice and shady as well here, not too warm, not too, well, nice and cool I should say is the right word. But I've got a nice Sprite to keep me cool while we chill here for the next couple of minutes. And then we need to find our tuk-tuk driver who brought us from the main town. We've got our bags at the moment. It's going to take us over to the airport. So once we finish these, I'll show you the short journey of what it's like getting from Lio Beach across to the airport. Here at Lio Airport in El Nido, that's where we are. Got a full roof and it's absolutely scorching and dripping. But it's a nice small departures land. You've got the check-in gates through there. The departures is just through those doors there. So literally from here to where you go straight onto the plane. And it's only the tiny little propeller jets that land here anyway. Jets with propeller planes, I should say. So now it's chill here half an hour and then we're called onto the flight. So at least here just in time. It's also nice and easy to get through here. You just got to show your boarding card or the email. But let's wait here and then we'll get on the flight in a minute. flight from El Nido, we've now arrived here at Caticlan, where we can get a tricycle to the harbour. I think is 150 pesos to get a trike to the harbour.
Yeah.
This way, so you don't go to the booths there. The booths there are at the southwest. Then you go down the corner to get your tricycle to the port. Then you get your tickets once you've arrived there. Just like that, we've made it to the main port here on Boracay Island, and so far costed us 500 pesos, I believe it was, which our boat was just over there in the distance. Now it's trying to find the transfer which takes us over to the hotels in Station 2. And now we just need to make the journey to the D-Mall, Station 2 for the police. We've got our tuk-tuk or tricycle, electric tricycles. And this one's 200 pesos. I think they take you anywhere on the island for like a fixed fee. But now we've got a short drive from the port to get us to D-Mall. And we have arrived at the Feliz Hotel and have the most amazing room. First I'll start with the bathroom, as that's the first room in the corridor. We have a nice big toilets, sinks, I'm saying plural sinks, 1, 2 sinks, a ginormous bath, which is definitely big enough for me to get in. We might even try it while we're here. Let's get in the bath. Oh, plenty of space. Both legs stretched out. It's almost like a little, it's like a jacuzzi. Right, let's get out of there. We have a nice toilet, bidet. We'll come around here, we have the shower. If I open the shower up the right way, we have the nice big shower head and mini head. Hot and cold, and then a selection of, what's this one? Shower gel, conditioner, shampoo, and then some soap. And then if we come out the bathroom, then we come into the main room. In the bedroom we have the kettle, complimentary water, this thing which has nothing inside of it, television with pictures of James and Reg on for Reg's birthday. Then we have a bit of birthday cake, some forks, a seating area, which is nice. And then we've got Reg's birthday balloons with, oh, it's towel. I don't know what I've just broken. Oh, brilliant. It was nice and organised until I decided to move it. And then we'll give a bed test. I think this is going to ruin the birthday towels.
Towel cake.
Oh, that is really comfortable. Definitely very nice hotel, highly recommend. if anyone's coming to Boracay, and it's in Station 2 as well. So it's super close. I think it's probably a 2-minute walk to the beach from where we are at the moment, so perfect location. And being in the middle of Station 2, usually you can't get dropped off by the trikes. But these trikes go down the wet market and bring you straight to the hotel, which is even more convenient if you've got heaps of stuff. And after our successful day getting to Boracay, it's time to leave the video here. We've shown you how to get here from El Nido, which the only way of doing that is using AirSWIFT, and how to get across from Caticlan Airport to Boracay. And of course a tour of the Feliz room, which is absolutely amazing. Super comfortable bed, room's absolutely massive, so definitely one to look at if you're planning to come to Boracay. But anyway, the next video should be a island hopping tour of Boracay, which has got cliff jumping, beaches to visit, snorkeling spots, all the good stuff. So make sure you join us for the next one for a island hopping tour. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.